can show you around. There's like 100 towns in the city, so it might take a while, but not to worry, cause I know all the best spots, not the bougie places with the $100 rooftops. I might be a tour guide in a city. I might be, we might be riding around on a Segway. I can be a tour guide. I can be a tour guide. I can be a tour guide. Show you around. You know I can be a tour guide. I can be a tour guide. I can be a tour guide. Show you around. You know I can be a tour guide. Fuck.
Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah? No friends of mine around, yeah. Now I'm thinking I might have caught the June blues. Yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice. Yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking youth. Now when I drive around, don't feel it up. Why it's getting colder when the sun come out? Might just waste away, don't know what life about. Another day go by, don't know what got me down. June blues, yeah, I got the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. It's something you get used to, yeah. Go back to June blues, yeah. It's just the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. Just something you get used to. Breaking news got me breaking. I was present, hopeless, praying. Struck down at 20, plenty left to put behind you. You ain't peaked, devil's peeking, now they speaking about you, leave it alone. Hope you grinning while you watch your bros on some soulful sunny shit to brighten up a wounded soul. Honest, you the penny, pick it up like Chevy, New Age Machiavelli, disagree, don't tell me, now you with infinity, we 98, trust that he be good. On the ball like BB, don't make no mistakes, got the faith. The 18 just not gon' be the same. Finna bleed down generations, not gon' be in vain. Too young, why you gotta go, I just wanna know now, true now. Crying getting old, hope you free your soul, I might have caught the June blues, yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice, yeah, you know I keep on running
don't know if it's the pregnancy or the fact that summer is coming, but I've been craving fruit so much. So Martin went to the grocery store yesterday, bought a lot, and he just cut some cantaloupe for us. I think that's gonna be it for the day. So, oh, I'm gonna show you the bump real quick. So this is the almost 24-week bump. Saturday I'm gonna be 24 weeks and today is Thursday. So it's growing nicely and the baby is super active, and you can probably hear Croquette, she's very active as well. So that's it for today. I hope that you liked the video. As usual, don't forget to leave it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!